Good morning, friends. Today I have to go to Aldi and I thought I'd take you guys along with me. I'm gonna try to stick to with what I wanted to get, but I know my kids are gonna want some things, so if it's within reason, we will be getting them. So let's go.
If you've never been to Aldi before, they have a quarter for their carts, so that system is great. There's no carts all over in the parking lot. I actually keep a little quarter saver on my keychain, and it's really cute. It has like a baguette and some fruit and vegetables. It's got a little smiley face, so my kids always like to take turns of who gets to take it out and who gets to put it in. My son got to take it out today, and then as soon as we walked in, they had my kiddos' favorite animal crackers. They are their favorite because they are actually allergy-free for my son. They do have other allergens, but they don't have dairy or nuts, so he's able to eat those. They had some beautiful grapes, some beautiful pomegranates. I got a few pomegranates. Then we got some orange juice. They had this pasta that I got, I think it was like 2 weeks ago. I thought it'd be on sale by now, but it's not. I also got these fruit strips, which are absolutely delicious. I'm going to be handing those out for Halloween. And then avocados are 69 cents each. I always get them with that little thing on the top, and then I always get them from Mexico. They have the best avocados. Then peaches were on sale, so I did get a few of those. They were $2.58 a bag. And then I need some mushrooms for dinner tonight, $1.35, can't beat it. String beans are on sale, as well as mini cucumbers. I don't need either of them because I did make a farm trip today, and I just didn't need all of that stuff. Then for the guacamole that I'll be making, I need some organic chips. We're going to grab some of those. And then if you wanted conventional grapes, they're a great deal at Aldi. Some of them are a little softer than others, but these ones look nice and hard, so they're great. I know a lot of people rave about these grapes. I've never tried them, but I heard they're great. Then I saw they have in the Aldi Finds aisle this humidifier. It reminds me of my old Crane drop humidifier, and I was just about to get it. And then my little guy saw an even better one in his opinion. It's only $10 more than that one. The other one was $20, and he just had to have it. I figure, when kids are sick, they kind of want to have something that can bring joy, and this will definitely bring joy to him. So I let him put it in the cart because I can do it, Mama. I can do it myself. And he did a good job. So I was proud of him putting it in the cart all by himself. And then they had these cute blankets. They were $10 each. But the one thing about them is they have this Sherpa material that I don't like in the inside. It just gets matted down. It doesn't wash well. And it's kind of like scratchy. So no, total miss for me. And then I love this roasting rack. If I didn't have one, I would definitely get this. It was beautiful. They have a 3-piece cooling rack set. I have a ton of those. I don't need that. And I almost, oh my gosh, I don't know how I composed myself to not take a whole bunch of these. They're only $2.99 each. These are perfect for gift giving. Like you can even bake in them and then give them as a gift, or even individual portions for like when you're having a dinner party. These are my favorite. I didn't have these exact ones when I purchased them. I got them on Amazon, but those are the best heat-proof gloves. I can take things out of the oven with that. I've never had that pan, but I like the mini food chopper and I like these. I don't need them. I'm really trying to compose myself, but I did end up getting this stuff. It did get me. So I'm going to use one for downstairs, and then my daughter and son wanted one for their bathroom. So we ended up getting the gingerbread house and the Christmas tree, and we will put the holiday tree down in the bathroom downstairs, and they're going to have the little gingerbread house. And then I got a little cute towel set for each because I wasn't crazy about the ones they came with. And then I'm not into the Awesome Pop, but if you are, it's a great deal, $30. And then the mixing bowl set, I don't really need it. I almost got one, but I have so many mixing bowls. I really like that it has a silicone rubber ring on the bottom because you don't want to scratch your counters, and also it adds a little bit of friction so it kind of holds it steady. Then they have a bunch of silicone bake mats. I think this is from last week. They have a bunch that's overflow. This is a slower store, so I kind of see things that are still from the previous week a lot. My daughter wanted a sheet set, and they have some cute designs. She wanted this one because it was like really festive, and it had her favorite gingerbread men. And I'm going to be honest, she probably would have loved it even more if it had gingerbread men all over it. They have what looks like possibly a return, I'm not sure, of a mixer. Then they had these new cordless hand mixers. It reminds me of like KitchenAid. It reminds me of like their whole line of cordless items. They have some beautiful baking sheets. I don't need any of those. As much as I really liked the gold ones, I have a bunch of sheets that I don't need more. And I did get another rolling pin because my kids love to bake with me, and it's just going to make it a little bit more easier to bake with them so they can do it themselves as well, because I'm going to be honest, they love doing everything themselves these days, and I love the independence, so this will be a great way to give them that. And we didn't do too bad. I'm pretty proud of myself.